Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make goat cheese. It is super easy to do, so just follow along. I'm starting out with 1 gallon of milk and heating it up to 185 degrees and holding that for 15 seconds. I added 8 limes squeezed in, and then I let it sit, mix it together really well first, and let it sit for like 30 minutes, and when you come back it will curd up just like this. Add it into your cheesecloth. After I've added all of the curds into the cheesecloth, I squeeze it really well and get all of the liquid out. I will add heavy whipping cream, like 4 to 6 tablespoons, oregano, basil, and salt. Mix it all together and then start forming your goat cheese logs. I think that they form a lot better if you wrap them in saran wrap and put them in the fridge overnight. So I wrap them up really tight and then leave them in the fridge. And out of 1 gallon, I was able to make 5, and they were 5 to 6 ounces logs of goat cheese. And enjoy! Hope you love it. If you have any questions, please let me know.